banana Nutella sandwich. Let's get started. First, let's cut the banana. So first, let's peel it. We're putting this in a sandwich, so we have to make it nice and thin. Cut the banana. Cut the banana. Cut the banana. Yeah, let's cut the banana. We're just gonna put this to the side. Next, we're gonna use some bread. I'm using the bread with no crust, crustless white bread, because I don't like bread with crust. So, we're going to spread some Nutella on it. So, with a knife, butter knife, and just spread Nutella on both slices of bread. Spread it all over the bread like this. Okay, and I'm going to do the other side. We want it to be extra chocolatey because I love chocolate, especially Nutella. And banana and Nutella is a great combination together, like great combination. Do you guys just like dipping banana and Nutella and just dip it and eat it? Do you guys like that? Because I love it. But I also like to eat pretzels with Nutella. I love that. Now let's just add the bananas. Only on one side of the bread. Only on one slice of the bread. Just add it nice and neat. Okay, so now let's just put the other. Now let's just put the other slice of bread on top, and then you have it, banana Nutella sandwich. Time to taste. That's good. The banana is healthy, so it's just really good with the banana. And then the Nutella gives it a little bit of sweet flavor. Even banana is sweet too. Just more like unhealthy chocolatey flavors. They make an epic combination. Epic! Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe down below. Touch it on the cheek. Bye! Ooh, I love it when you do like that. When you you need the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance to some like cracks. And when you say the party's over, then you break right back.